Good afternoon once again. This is Anani from Ghana. I'm here to teach at Dawasa Private School, Kurdistan to be precise. And I love the environment. Everything is cool, everything is nice for teaching and learning. And I hope with my experience, I will be able to work in accordance with the school in order for the school to achieve its goal. What I want to say is that I will be able to cope with the culture around being the student and the staffs. And I am very, very grateful for the hospitality the school have given me. And I can see there is a unity among us, irrespective of where I'm from. They have taken me as their own. And I promise I will do my possible best to help for the school to achieve its goals. And I will urge each and everyone out there to bring his or her words to Dawasa Private School for a better education. I wish you all the best. We wish ourselves all the best for good luck and prosperity through your words and your kids' education. In other words, we are going to help, including me, to support all your goals to further their education into the higher standard, so that at the end they will become a good leader and a good country people. Thank you everyone. Thank you Dawasa Private School, including the heads, the hierarchy. I'm very grateful with the administration. For me to come here is a plus. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful. Thank you.